Sorry, I got a little interrupted. The matrix. So there's two parts. I apologize, but we're looking at the matrix now, so we're almost done. We've got the equations written. So we'd have 1A, 1B, and 1C. So 1A, 1B, 1C, and that equals 120. Here's my matrix right there. The next I've got 0.2A. I've got 0.3B. I've got 0.5C. And that equals, so let's see, 0.35 times 120. So I've just got a calculator here. 0.35 times 120, 42. And then the last part, so now this one isn't quite set up right, because for the matrix I need the A's and the B's and the C's all in line. So I've got the C here. If I subtract 3B from both sides, I would have negative 3B plus C equals 0 for this last equation. And I'd have no A's, so I'd have 0 A's. Minus 3B plus C equals 0. So I'd have 0 A's, negative 3 B's, and 1 C equals 0. If you had this equation flipped, if you had 3B equals C, and you subtracted C from both sides, it would work out to the same result. And so if this ended up being a positive 3 and a negative 1, you'll still end up getting the same answer. So that doesn't matter. All right, so I've got my matrix. Now I'm going to go over to my calculator here. I don't know why I used a handheld one before when I have this one up, but oh well. I'm going to go into the matrix. So here's this matrix. I'm going to edit my matrix. Enter. I need a 3 by 4 matrix. So I'm going to put 1, 1, 1, 120, 2, 3, 5, 2, 0, negative 3, 1, 0. That's it. So I'm going to quit. You can slow this down and replay it. Go into the matrix again. I'm going to scroll over to math. And scroll all the way down to reduced row echelon form, RREF. And now I'm going to get the matrix I want, matrix A. Here's my result. So for the first solution, 48 liters, second solution, 18 liters, third solution, 54 liters. So my answers then, right at the top here, I would use, what does that say, 48 of the 20%, 18 of the 30%, and 54 of the 50%. And I'll leave it to you to check. If you add 48 plus 18 plus 54, you should end up with 120. And if you take the second equation here and you plug 48, 18, and 54 in for A, B, and C, you should get 42 as a result there. And sure enough, 54 is 3 times 18. That works. Yep. So that's how you do it.